Hey, can you show how you taking the
Step
run?
one, walk and change your taller or $5 or $10, and then put the quarter inside the machine.
Yeah.
And remove your hand and that's all.
Thank you. What is your name?
My what?
Your names.
My name is Roi Boy.
Roi Boy. Batangan teman apa? Ini Roi batangan.
Today we're gonna show you how to make lukwor.
Oh, okay.
You know lukwor?
Yeah.
Step one, put the water inside the cooler. Step two, put the milk inside the cooler.
Yeah.
And also ice cube.
Oh.
And what do we call? Strip. Yeah. Oh, it's mix. Oh, mix.
Mix it.
And
What about the lukwors?
lukwors.
You don't pound the lukwors first?
Oh, of course.
Yeah. And do you put sugar inside?
Yeah.
Of course. Always.
And milk too.
And you bring it over there and fill up water with 25 cents?
Yeah, only 25 cents.
Oh, very convenient.
Continental.
Continental. Kalau mau tahu kau mana